This is a quick video tutorial showing you how Civils.ai can be used for opening sizes, calculating opening sizes from PDF drawings. So you'll see here on the left, I've already finished processing this set of drawings and I've measured off for each opening the opening size code and then the actual size itself. So this was across windows and also doors. You can see the prompt that I actually typed in to get these results up at the top. So the prompt was count and categorize all the openings along with measurements as per the door and window schedule. And then for each of those, you see there's a code for the element and then the size. And with Civils.ai, each time we take a measurement, we also annotate the drawing so you can see exactly where the measurements have come from. And then once the processing is complete, you can actually download this as an Excel file or a PDF with these annotations on. With Civils.ai, it's not so relevant for this because we were actually taking the sizes from the schedule, but we also scale the drawing and we can read imperial and also metric. And you'll see if I zoom in, each one of these openings has a certain size associated to it. So for example, B08 is this 3 foot by 7 foot opening. And if I go to the schedule, so in our prompt, we asked it to cross-reference the schedule. I can go down to where the opening schedule is, which is on page 60. And then you'll see for each one of these opening sizes, we actually took the information from this table. So you have B08, this 3 foot by 7 foot opening, which you can see corresponds to this. So we can also cross-reference the schedules. So it doesn't need to be on the same drawing itself. It just needs to be somewhere within this pack of drawings you upload. But in some cases, you might notice something else that you want including, or you might have some comments. So within here, you can also type in anything else you might want to reprocess, and then Civils.ai will start again. And then it will update all of these quantities and annotations. So you just can click submit here. And then Civils.ai, the more you use it, it's like the smarter it gets. So we have this preferences memory. And you can actually edit this yourself. You can type in your own measuring standards in here, and this will be applied across all of the takeoffs that you do in the future. So you don't need to always type everything into this prompt up here. We kind of remember things as well across the different takeoffs. And the way you actually generate this, so these are the results, but the way you actually generate this is you can create projects on Civils.ai. So you click this add project button, and then within here, I will open up one of the projects I was just working on, and we have this button here, extract quantities from CAD. You can drag and drop the PDFs, and then you just type in here what you wanted to do. So, count and size the opening, the window openings, let's say. And then this can be window opening sizes, the name of the takeoff, how you want to save it. And then you just click run, and then the processing starts. And then once we've finished the processing, this basically turns to completed, and then you can just click the results. You click this one, and then you open up the drawings, and you see up here it says only annotated sheets. And we just show you the ones which we've basically worked on, the ones where we've done the takeoff